Welcome everybody. If you're even thinking about buying an old Hot Rod Nova, think no more. This is the one you're going to want to have. It's a 1969 Chevy Nova with a 502 with 502 horsepower GM crate motor, M22 rock crusher, 342 posi. It's been bodied off the frame restored. A longtime customer, friend, collector is who I got this car from. He has several old cars himself. He just retired, shut down his body shop of decades. So the point I'm making, this is what he does. He's a car guy through and through. He built this one for himself. Out of 200 classic cars that he's owned this one the longest. And he said there was a reason for it. The car was fast, reliable, and dialed in. You can take it anywhere at any time. Just a fantastic car. I'm going to tell you all about it. Someone will be very fortunate to get a car this nice. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars. Each one will be for sale with a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. He said he's the third owner of the car. We have some pictures. He did a body off frame restoration, removed everything from under the car. All rust-free, clean metal. It's absolutely straight, virtually flawless. I only say virtually just to cover my tail because I didn't find a crack, a bubble, a blister, anything like that. It's all absolutely straight, all lines up beautifully. No vinyl top, just all LeMans blue. Opens and closes like a new car. The jambs are all repainted real nice. Quarter panels are spotless. This was done 11 years ago. Looks like it was done yesterday. All the metallic laid out evenly, no blotchiness. The clear coat's polished smoothly. Again, all the gaps, everything's square, flush, absolutely straight. No problems, no issues. All of it is right on the money. Again, lines up beautifully. Jambs are painted slick. So the body and paint's outstanding. All of the trim has been replaced. All shiny stainless moldings, dual bow tie mirrors. Even the moldings around the door frames here are replaced. The door handles, the emblems, all the SS trim, the grills on the hood. Now it has 427. They do make them with 502. He was trying to keep with an old school theme, so he put the 427 emblems here. Everything up front here was replaced as the SS blacked out grille. You can put a little chin spoiler down there. Looks like the lenses are new. It has the correct antenna. The windshield was replaced. The rest of the glass looks to be very nice original. That's another old nostalgic touch here, a decal. All the rubber seals and weather strips were completely replaced. Sitting on some 15-inch American Racing wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. And as it comes around the back, it has the SS tail panel, the bumper, tail lights, emblem, all that's replaced, the moldings around the window. Now why don't we open it up, and we'll get to that 502 in just a few minutes. All right, let's see how it looks in the trunk. Of course, it's clean. Underneath the trunk lid, the jamb all painted real nice, weather strip replaced. Inside's all clean, rust-free metal, spatter painted, complete with a spare, jack, tire cover, mat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. This car just flew through our inspection process. He assured me when he brought it here, doesn't need a thing. And yeah, he was right. Even the clock works. So the jambs are slicked, weather strips replaced. This is an original interior. The door panels you're looking at are original. Look how nice and clean they are. Not beat up at all. The dash is original. The dash pad, the instrument panel, the lens, the gauge, all that's really nice and clean. It has a hot rod style Super Tech 2 mounted to the column. You can see the clock is working. Heater control panel's real nice. He did add a CD stereo, and there's some speakers in back as well. Oil and temp gauge, which he said it always ran cool. Original cigarette lighter, We have the owner's manual and a sales brochure that's in the office that'll go with it. Nicky Chevrolet, again, just an old school emblem. The vents move in and out easily. I'm going to assume he did replace the carpet. That looks real fresh. It has the original or correct floor mats. I think they're the originals. But the 4-speed, Hurst 4-speed, that's the best part. Now, he said the lower front seat had like one puncture, like someone got in with a screwdriver. I don't know if he replaced upper and lower, but he did say the front seat, maybe just the bottom, maybe all of it. The headrests are original. It's got all the original seat belts, front and back. Floor mats in back. This is the original upholstery here. This is from when the car was new, 1969. Same with the side panels. I like the chrome trim with the white stripe, but he claims all that's original. It's got the mesh shelf in the back. All the trim looks real nice in the back window. And then he said the headliner is original, and that's in really nice shape. Got the shoulder belts, working dome light, nice matching visors, nice mirror. And then he put this Camaro-style steering wheel on its new reproduction, really nice shape. I can't stress enough how this car is dialed in. He drove it here from about an hour away. His buddy that was with him told me twice. He's like, I still can't believe he's selling this car. This is the one he was going to take with him to the grave. So that is dressed as a 427, keeping it old school, but it is a GM crate motor. It comes with the receipt. Matter of fact, it comes with a folder of receipts. So it's a 502, making 502 horsepower. GM aluminum heads, the bow tie aluminum intake, a big dual feed Holley carb, original style chrome valve covers and air cleaner, HEI ignition, a set of coated headers. Now these ink stamps on the firewall, those are original. Everything is clean and proper. You got GM hoses all clamped properly in place. See these dust shields here? These are originally, purposely didn't want to take them out. They're stapled in at the factory, and those are original from 1969. But this was all dusted with some black paint. Battery's got a disconnect. It has the dust shield up here, the right shroud, the right clamps. We feature power steering and power brakes. The washers are hooked up. Under the hood has the hood insulation. So just really nice, clean, proper, complete. Michael's going to show you how this bad boy runs, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Hang on tight, it's going to be a quick test drive with this one. Got the crate 502 under the hood, paired with the Monty Rock Crusher 4-speed manual. This is going to be an absolute blast. Really looking forward to it. The exhaust sounds amazing on this car. Give me a little rev. I swear I could do that all day long. A really nice frame-off restoration here, and of course you got that, the reliability and the power of the 502 crate engine there, which they're just renowned for. Power steering on here as well. Thanks for a nice, easy experience. And yeah, just take a second to check out the idle on this. Really nice. Redone bent seat up here. Get nice and close to your sweetheart. That's where I would be. Absolutely, without a doubt. And don't be afraid to check out pictures of the undercarriage as well. That is all been freshened up and redone. And very nice and impressive. So yeah, this car had been sitting for a little while. Got in it, started right up, no problem there. And yeah, let's see what she's got. trouble there. Now we're back down to about 60. Yeah, she spun a little bit in first and then in second, and I mean, I just kind of eased into it. There's a lot more. You see the double thumbs up right there, of course. It doesn't take doesn't take very long to get an attention. You know, when you're in a car this beautiful, not even halfway around the block. So yeah, you can have all that fun plus much more if you'd like to purchase this car. So yeah, you're gonna have a blast. You saw what the 502 can do, just a little sample there. And yeah, you want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome. Just give us about a day's notice. All the cars are in a museum setting, and we need to move them around to get it out for you. Other than that, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So as I said, the body was off the frame and everything else that was under there was removed too. The rear end, the springs, all of it. The entire steering and suspension was rebuilt, upgraded with KYB gas shocks all around. I added a rear sway bar. It has a great sounding dual exhaust. It's all stainless steel pipe with a crossover. Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out towards the back. The brake system was completely redone. The e-brake assembly was replaced. It's drum brakes at all four wheels. And I said, Jack, why didn't you put disc on it? He said, these brakes work amazing. It's just one of those things. Why mess with it? He's had other cars. He had a Chevelle with four-wheel disc. It did not stop as good as this car. He bragged about those brakes, how well they worked. And he did completely rebuild them. The fuel system was completely replaced. New tank. You look up at the motor, it's still clean. He put 7,000 or 8,000 miles on this car, and it's been done about 11 years, but he kept excellent care of it, obviously. He has a high torque starter. Now the Muncie 4-speed has M22 Rock Crusher internals. It's the Italian set. You can get the Korean gears or the Italian gears. So it's a really good build from a trans guy he knows. So it's the M22 Rock Crusher. It makes that whining sound because the teeth, I think, are straighter and more heavy duty. Rebuilt drive shaft, rebuilt rear end. It has 342 posi gears, so a nice cruising gear and a chrome cover. We have pictures of the floors before he restored it. They all look to be clean, rust-free, original floors. So again, a really nice car here. Someone will be pleased with it. Just put together real nicely. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will answer your questions like how you're going to get your Nova delivered home. And if you need help with financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.